Welcome to the Captain's Blog. I'm David McDonough, Senior Vice President and founder of Flagship Wealth, powered by Trilogy. On this blog, we try to take what's unnecessarily complicated out there on Wall Street, make it understandable to you on Main Street. Up 3.5% last week, up 5% for the year. And remember, folks, 3 short months ago, we're up from the low over 25%. When all the experts were saying tariffs this, tariffs that, recession. Where is it? Economy continues to chug along. The Fed is going to be there, and in my opinion, at least twice this year to lower interest rates to keep this economy going. Did we stay at an all-time high? Or did the geopolitical risk, the tariff risk, start profit-taking? Here's your week in review. So the answer to that question is yes, the positive momentum continued. As of this taping, 8:30 on Thursday morning, the market is up 0.5%. That is in the face of negative, get this, negative job creation. The market expected over 100,000 jobs to be created, negative 40,000. Firms like Microsoft laying people off. But Dave, how is the market at an all-time high when the labor market is starting to shrink? Well, folks, it's good news where it comes to corporate balance sheets and productivity. It also is good news where it comes to increasing in wages. It also means this, that the Fed will be here. And I say this each and every week, and I'll say it again this morning. If they don't cut rates in July, they will certainly in my opinion, start cutting in September. More money in your pocket. And last, as of this morning, the big, beautiful deal, it looks like it's going to be passed. Whether you're pro or con, the one thing that is pro about this bill is that it is good for business and good for business investment. And you out there know this in Flagship Wealth Nation, that the market is a discounting mechanism. It's looking 6 to 12 months ahead, and it knows that corporations will be raising their earnings expectations. So yes, I believe we're at the top end of the trading range, but I also believe that there is value in this market. Again, use active versus passive management. What do I mean by that, class? Instead of buying the entire market, there are certain names, certain sectors that have value. Consult your local financial advisor for more details. And here's what to look for next week. July 9th. Why is that important? That's when the tariff deadline, the supposed line in the sand, comes up. We're of the opinion that that line continues to get moved. There are positive headlines coming out of the trade talks. Just yesterday, Vietnam came to the table. A deal is done. We expect India to be next, and eventually, China. But folks, use this weekend as an opportunity to go look at those former 401ks and those IRAs. The market is giving you a gift at an all-time high. Collect those, see how they're allocated. And if you need help with collecting those or seeing how they're allocated or seeing how they match your risk tolerance, I'll do it again. Consult your local financial advisor for more details. Now here's your personal finance tip of the week. You know what? I'm the captain and we're changing course. Normally I'm on this side of the camera, but on Tuesday, a number of you were on this side of the camera. Hey, Dave, roll the tape.
Treat you like a family. When we, after we got married and started having funds of our own, we put our trust in him. So he's a family, you know.
Yeah. And he's very easy to relate to.
Yeah.
I mean, he got a lot of empathy and he understands what's going on, and he's a good guy to work with.
He does a great job. He's local, and if I have a phone call and need him, he answers it.
That's
Appreciate
awesome.
it, Dave. Thank you.
So thanks to all of you that made it to the Flagship Wealth powered by Trilogy client appreciation event. Your testimonials, your golf swings made me smile. So have a happy, healthy, terrific July 4th weekend, and we'll see you next week on the Captain's Blog.